So, we're going up this wall here now. I don't have to worry about my directional troweling. I'm not in the shower. Let's bang them up. I don't have to worry about which way the tiles are going. There's no pattern either. I'm using a 12mm notch trowel. It's my most common trowel that I use. A 12mm notchy. I use a 12mm notchy for walls and floors. Sometimes a 15mm trowel on a floor, but not for this thickness of tile. I use a 12. If I was doing porcelain on this floor and it's a 10mm porcelain, I would have used a 15mm trowel. See the siziness there? So that's probably a good mil in size difference. So you just bring it up a tad and try and humour it. I hate the ceramic now. Porcelain is just way better. But that's why you always had wider lines in I've got to mark my cuts, so just bang it up top here. So put it up there because I've got a mark around these pipes. But if you ever see wide grout lines, the reason for that is because they're camouflaging the sizey shitty tile, the siziness. And the only way you can do that is by spreading your grout lines, and it helps to camouflage. That's why with porcelain you have 1.5 mil. Sometimes people go 1 mil. You can get 1mm clips, but that's a little bit too fine, I reckon. Let's just mark this sucker. I'll cut it, pop it in, and then we'll click off. So I'll do this one and then I'll click off so my video is not too long, because I don't want you to get bored. Pop that down there. See where my dust comes through the front? Like that, I know that I'm on. I'll show you again. See the dust? It's a bit hard to see. But every time when my blade hits that line, it makes dust, and I know I've gotten through. Then all you do is you just cut it. Don't go past. I tap that gently, everyone, because you know, there's not a lot of meat there, so you got to be careful. Let's see if it fits. Let's see if the old fart's still got it. He's still got it. Okay, people, I'll come back to you soon. Stay tuned. Lean on in every video. There's something to learn all the time. Signing off. We'll see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Press that button. And because I'm going to be bringing out, you're not going to be able to run away, because I'll chase you with my videos. They're going to be coming out more and more. Stay tuned, everyone. This is just the beginning. See ya. Bye.